Hello everyone. In this guide, I am going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify tag from your site footer. Let's jump into it right now. Step 1. Locate your theme editing area. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From your left-hand menu, navigate to Online Store and click on Themes. To remove the tag without touching a code, you should use the language editor by clicking on the three dots icon next to your current theme, and then click on Edit Default Theme Content. Step 2. Edit or replace the Powered by Shopify tag. In the language editor, type Powered by Shopify on the search bar to find the Powered by Shopify text faster. Once you find the Powered by Shopify tag, you can delete it completely or replace it with another custom tag. For example, thank you for visiting us. Step 3. Save and preview. Once you finish, don't forget to hit the Save button to update your changes. Finally, you should take a look at your store front end to check if you are successful or not. And here you have it. The Powered by Shopify tag is replaced by my custom tag. And that's it. Thank you for watching.